Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. Okay, so in today's video, we're gonna do something a little bit different. As you all know by now, I'm a beautician. I do hair, color, makeup, waxing. I'm a cosmetologist, I do it all. So today, I'm gonna do something that I've never done on myself before, which will be kind of scary. But we're gonna be doing a wax. I'm gonna be waxing my eyebrows for the first time on myself. I went and bought this waxing kit at Ulta, and it comes with everything you need. Not sponsored. We're gonna warm up the wax and we are gonna start waxing my eyebrows. Are y'all as excited as I am? Do y'all think I'm gonna fuck up? Leave a comment down below. Okay, as y'all can see, these are my brows now. I haven't gotten them cleaned up in about probably over a month. So these are my brows. One time I had a friend of mine clean them up for me. She was fresh out of beauty school, so I let her practice on me, you know, because I'm so nice. And I'm like, yeah, wax my eyebrows. I don't care if you fuck up. So she fucked up. My hair tends to grow down this way, right? You guys can see that right there, right? These hairs tend to grow down. So when she put on the wax, she grabbed a bit of these hairs here. And when she went to pull it, it pulled all of these hairs out. So I had a bigger gap than what I naturally have. This is natural, but then I had a bigger gap here. So, I mean, I wasn't going for the look where people shave that piece of the brow off, you know, because that's not my style. But hopefully I don't do that on myself today. I know my beard is a little bit out of shape right now. I went to get a haircut, thanks Davina. So I'm about to film a review for the Jekyll and Hill palette, so I'll definitely clean this up so I won't look so raggedy. But it's time to start the waxing. My wax is totally warmed up now. I'm nervous. As y'all know, I'm blind. I usually wear glasses, so I hope I don't fuck up. Just kidding, I've been doing this for so many years already. I shouldn't fuck up. Let me go grab a mirror. So we'll start with this eyebrow. It should be easy. This is not a tutorial, so don't try to do this at home. Whoa, it's really bad. Look at this eyebrow, it's so hairy. I hope my lashes don't get caught onto the wax. Oh my god, I'm so nervous. Here we go, I'm gonna dip. So let it cool down. I think I'm doing it, guys. Oh my god. Okay, I'm about to pull it. Okay. There's a piece of shit on my eye. Looking fabulous, look at that shit. Oh, fuck yeah. And then whatever little hairs that didn't come out, such as this one here, I'm gonna tweeze it out. You never wanna go over waxed areas twice. I mean, if you're learning from this, this is a how to wax your eyebrows at home. And that's it, guys. These are my new brows. Right now I'm just going through with the wax strip to remove any residue of honey wax. Alright you guys, well that's it for today's video. If you liked my new brows, leave a comment down below. Let me know if you would ever let me do your eyebrows. I swear, I promise I do better on other people than I just did on myself. But not bad for doing it on myself for the first time, right? Alright, well leave a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. That way you're notified of all the videos that I've been uploading, okay? I'll see you guys soon. Bye. New brows, bitch. Okay, yeah, I'm done. That's it. See you guys. Bye.